Hi guys, welcome to Food Fantasy World. Today we are making Methi aloo curry. Some benefits of Methi leaves: strong antioxidants, bone health, good for bone health, good for digestive system, cures mouth ulcers, prevents anemia, good for heart, stimulates breast milk production. Let's start our recipe. Oil 2 tablespoons, onion chopped 1 cup, fry until changes color. Ginger garlic paste 1 tablespoon. Potato chopped 1 cup, around 1 big potato. Tomato half cup. Small size tomato. Saute for 2 minutes. Red chilli powder 2 tablespoon. Coriander powder 1 tablespoon. Turmeric half tablespoon. Salt as per taste. Methi leaves 2 cups. Cover and cook for 2 minutes on medium heat. Now mix everything. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Water 1 cup. Give a nice mix. Close the lid. Cook for 10 minutes on medium heat. It takes only 20 minutes to cook. Wow, yummy aloo methi ready to eat. Enjoy with roti. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See ya. Bye.